ladders since I was a kid, and I still do it probably like twice a week on here. So good gift from your parents, and definitely a good thing to be doing, because it'll help your foot speed, your coordination, and just being able to play sports in general. Because if you can coordinate your feet and your mind together at a quick pace while doing this, well then you can think through things quicker, and obviously run faster. But I'm probably gonna move the camera like a little bit so you can see my feet sometimes in the ladder. But I'm gonna show you a couple of different drills. A couple of key things before I start though, like for all the drills, is you want to be pumping your arms and moving your arms. Right? You don't want to be the guy who's going through the speed ladder like this, like with your arms limp. All right, so you got to pump your arms. Not, it doesn't have to be anything on purpose, but like if you were actually running, like if you were actually going through the speed ladder and you were just running right through it, would you run like this? No. Or would you go through the speed ladder, you're running through it like this, right? So whatever is natural for you, pump your arms, okay, and that's going to help your whole body move faster. But yeah, don't run it through here, no arms. Pump your arms. And yeah. All right, so I'll give you some of the drills. They're gonna probably in my head go from easier to hardest, but like you can pretty much go in this order when you do the drills. You kind of get warmed up, get loose, and then go into the tougher footwork drills. After the drills where you're going straight through, if you have room to sprint after for 15 or 20 feet, do that. If not, that's fine too. But first one, all right, 1 foot, 1 in each box. All right, so as fast as you can get off the ground, get into the next box, and keep going. That's what you want to do. So just as quick as you can, put your foot up and out into the next box. If you got room. Notice, again, I'm probably going to say this several times, but the arms pumping, right? All right, so I'm not just jumping through. I'm pretending like I'm actually running, but I'm obviously just on 1 foot. I'd probably do like at least 2 each foot. So 1 time right foot, 1 time left foot, 2nd time right foot, 2nd time left foot. Then the next one is 2 in each box, okay? But to start for this first drill, 2 in each box, but just quick feet, all right? So we're gonna do a different one after this, but just for now, 2 in the box and quick feet, all right? So I'm gonna go slow, but it'll look like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, right? 2 in each box. Same thing as a single leg, pumping your arms and then trying to move your feet fast to get all the way through as quick as you can. And then if you're sprinting the end sprint, so like something like that. Okay, I've already done a whole workout, so I'm tired. But 2 in each box. Do that at least 2 times through. And then the next version of that you can do is if you pick up your knees, so you're like doing high knees while you're doing it. Yeah, so the same thing, trying to get your feet in and out as quick as you can, but now bring your knees all the way up. So the first one we were kind of just 2 feet in going quick. Now you can go actual high knees with both feet in the box. Do that 2 times through, and again, if you can sprint through if you got room. Let's see. Be a good one next for you. Let's bring the camera over here. All right. So next one, I'm gonna have you set up in the box. This is called a scissor drill. All right. So 1 foot in, 1 foot out. And what you're gonna do is going laterally that way. You're gonna scissor your feet in and out while keeping this right leg, that's the first one that goes in the box these times, so it'll look like this. Switch, switch. So each foot is going in the box, but I'm switching and then moving on to the next box. So again, slow motion, I'll go switch. Now this foot's coming into the next box, like that. So I'll show you from the side view. Hopefully this will sit up good. So you're moving laterally while your feet are going in and out of the box. So it looks like this. Okay. It's called scissor. Alright. Once again, as fast as you can move your feet in and out of the box, move fast, and pumping your arms, okay? So what I was just showing you in slow motion, but we're not actually jumping. Okay, I'm just switching my feet fast. So I'll do a couple as fast as I can to show you. But it's just about switching the feet fast, okay? So if you started down here, you had your right foot forward, then go to the other side and put your left foot forward. So you want to do both sides, like left foot forward, right foot forward, okay? I'll do at least 2 of those. Right foot forward and left foot forward. Let's see, what would be another good one for you? Oh, you can do hopscotch. Okay, so you can go, it's called hopscotch, but 2 feet out, 2 feet in, 2 feet out, 2 feet in, out, in, okay? So it'll look like this slow-mo. My feet are out to start, jump in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Once again, arms pumping, okay? And at a faster speed, it'll look like this. Again, we're not jumping, I'm not jumping in and out, I'm just moving my feet as fast as I can, so it'll look like and sprint after if you got room. That is the hopscotch. 2 or 3 of those. Let's see. This will be good for you. Because I got a lot of them, but some of them are kind of confusing, and I don't want you to get confused over video. I can show you in person. Oh, here's a good one. Okay, you're gonna keep one foot out the whole time while the other one goes in and out of the box. Okay, so go this side. I did this, hopefully you can see it. My right foot is the furthest most away from the ladder. Okay, so I'm gonna keep my right foot out the whole time while my left foot is going in and out of the boxes. Arms pumping, okay, feet moving quick. This foot still has to move, right, while you're doing this, but it's just staying in a straight line. Okay, so it'll look like this slow-mo. In, this one's staying out. While I'm taking that left foot in and out of the box. I'll show you again slow-mo. Again, if you ever need to pause the video, go back, like pause it so you can do your sets and then wait for the next one, do that. But, in, out, and this foot's staying stationary. But it's still moving. I'm not just dragging it along, right? Okay, so at a faster speed, it'll look like this. And then, of course, this side, my right leg is the furthest out. My left foot's going in and out. Just jump over to the other side. Now my left foot is staying out while my right foot's going in. Okay? Cool, all right, let's see, we got the single legs, single in the box, we got double in the box, double high knees in the box, we got hopscotch, we got scissors, and you've got 1 foot in, 1 foot out. Yeah, it seems like a good set to start with. If over time you start getting bored of these and these get too easy, let me know. I've got some other ones to send you, but yeah, that should be a good start. Let me know how that goes. See you, buddy.